Alright, so then how is your code running? Is it running well? Right? And do you have any message? Do you have any error messages? Then just try to fix them. And then if you can't, just send me an email or call me at my office. Okay. Okay. So then let's do some more. Okay. Here, in this stage, we have generated the artificial data, and then I want to see them. Okay, I want to see the numbers in y and x. Okay, and to do this, just move the cursor to the variable and click the right button. Then you see that open x and click this. Then you will see new window here. Looks like Excel. Actually, this is Excel, right? So you can see the numbers in X. Okay, and if you try to plot this variable, then here and click this here, here, or here, whatever, and move to here, plot, and choose the style. And this is just the basic one, plot. Then you will see a figure. Okay, right. Okay, so this is the plot of the x1. If you try to plot x2, then so this must be x3. And then of course you can plot them all together. Right here, like this, right? Okay. So right. Of course, you can see the dependent variable y. Open y, then let me plot this. Plot, yeah, yeah. And of course, you can copy and paste to an Excel file. Right? No problem. Okay. So then here in this table, I would like to add one more thing, which is sigma square hat. Okay, I want to report the estimate of the sigma square. Okay, so then this is just 1 by 1, right? This is scalar, so 1 by 1. This is not a matrix. Okay, so then one way to report this is like this: display and quotation no quotation, the bracket and quotation mark. Okay, this sigma 2 hat. This is just text, of course, or is whatever. Quotation and comma and sig 2 hat and bracket. So then I can report this. This sigma 2 square hat in one line here, right? And if you okay, let me copy this and paste it here. And if you run it, you will see an error. Oh yes, this here is an error, right? There is a reason why, because you see that this is text. Okay, this text or string, we say string or text. Okay, whereas this sigma 2 hat is a number. Okay, this is not text. This type is this character. We say character usually is number, and this is text. And then this bracket usually used to connect two things, right? But their type or their characters must be the same. But in this case, their characters are different. This is text or string, and this is number. So then in this case, you have to do something more here. num2 string str here, and one more. Yes. Okay, here. num2 string. This means what? Number 2. This 2 means to. 2 string str. String means text. right? So now this is transformed into a text character from number character. Okay, and let me run it. Yes, you can see a number here now, right? What's the true value for sigma square? Yeah, true value is 2. Yeah, sigma, the estimate of sigma square is also very close to its true value, right? Okay, right. So then here, sorry, but you have the another assignment, which is to compute and report R square and adjusted R square. And here is the formula or algorithm for computing R square. And you can find the formula for adjusted R square in any textbook or just Google it, adjusted R square. You must have learned it in Econometrics 1, right? Okay. So then you will add here. Okay, here, so this is, let me put this, estimates of sigma square. Okay, here you will add something R square and adjusted R square, right? Okay, so let me give you a hint, something like this. Okay, when you compute R square and adjust R square, you will have to compute the average or sample mean of the dependent variables or the independent variables. So then you can use mean, say mean, right? And if you do compute the mean of dependent variable, then mean of y, and you will see these numbers. This is mean, okay? And then if you try to compute square, then for example 3 square, then 3 square. This is how you compute square. Okay, like this. Okay. Then for example, let me define y bar under bar equals mean y, and then y square. Then I'm sorry, there is no y square. Y bar square. Yes. Then you can get the square of the sample mean of dependent variables, right? So here, so whenever you define a variable, you should start with alphabet, okay, lower or capital characters, and then you can use any special characters later or number. Okay, it doesn't matter. For example, y2 equals say y underbar square. It doesn't matter. Yeah, there's no error, right? But you should not start with the number. For example, 2y equals y underbar. The error. Okay, right? Okay. Okay. So this is the second MATLAB programming assignment.